Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Japan makeup. Start by prepping your skin with light hydration and sunscreen, then use a thin layer of cushion foundation for a dewy base. Create soft, straight brows and tight line with a brown pencil for natural definition. Apply minimal eyeshadow, a thin liquid liner close to lashes, and a subtle blush on the apples of the cheeks. Finish with a gradient lip using a tinted balm. In the second step, focus on skin prep and base to achieve that natural, dewy look. Cleanse gently, tone, and apply a lightweight moisturizer followed by sunscreen. Use a cushion or thin liquid foundation in light layers, patting with a sponge for dewy coverage. Spot conceal only where needed and set the T-zone with a tiny amount of translucent powder to control shine while keeping a fresh finish and radiance. Next, refine eyes, cheeks, and lips for a soft, youthful expression that feels effortless and modern. Use neutral matte shades on lids, focus color near the lash line, and blend outward softly. For eyeliner, draw a thin line close to the lashes and gently smudge for a natural effect. Apply a cream blush to the apples and blend upward, then create a gradient lip with a darker center and lighter outer tint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.